Clear prop!
Blackbush traffic, this is Golf Oscar Alpha Romeo Uniform, PA28 Arrow. We'll be taxiing from parking for run-up. Blackbush traffic.
Golf Romeo Uniform, you were calling?
Golf Romeo Uniform, yep, just call traffic to taxi to the run-up. Can I have a radio check and airfield information and taxi for departure? Golf Romeo Uniform.
Romeo Uniform, Reality 5, taxi Alpha 1 for 25 left hand circuit. QNH is, so much. QNH is 1023.
Golf Romeo Uniform, approaching Alpha 1 and ready for departure.
Golf Romeo Uniform, runway 25, take off your discretion. Surface wind 24010 knots.
Taking off, Golf Romeo Uniform. T's and P's in the green. Off we go. Speed's indicating, T's and P's on the green. On the center line. Approaching rotate. And rotate. Okay. Tap on the brakes and gear up. And Blackbush information, Golf Romeo Uniform departing to the northwest with noise abatement, going to Heathrow 125.625.
Golf Romeo forward, see you later.
Alright, speak to you later, bye. Good morning, Heathrow radar. This is Golf Oscar Alpha Romeo Uniform for a zone transit.
And the station code Heathrow, sorry, say again?
It's Golf Oscar Alpha Romeo Uniform.
Golf Oscar Alpha Romeo Uniform, Heathrow, thank you. QNH is 1023, pass your message.
I've got 1023, squawking 7000, just departed Blackbush to the 2 miles to the northwest. Requesting a transit Burnham, Northolt, then Northolt to Andrewsfield. I'm at Blackbush to Andrewsfield, 1 POB, I'm a PA28 Arrow, currently 1,300 feet on 1023, Golf Romeo Uniform.
Golf Romeo Uniform, Roger, squawk 7030, basic service.
Squawking 7030, basic service, Golf Romeo Uniform.
Golf Oscar Alpha Romeo Uniform, cleared to enter control airspace, routing via Burnham, and then Northolt, and then northeastbound, VFR, not above altitude 1,200 feet.
Then to enter VFR, Burnham, Northolt, then northeastbound, not above 1,200 feet, Golf Oscar Alpha Romeo Uniform. Thank you.
Hey, Mr. Good morning. Tango 7 Hotel Golf Whiskey, 3,000 feet.
Tango 7 Hotel Golf Whiskey, Thames hello, fly heading 090 degrees.
090, heading Tango Golf Whiskey.
Golf Romeo Uniform, radar control.
Radar control, Golf Romeo Uniform, and with a request.
Pass your message.
If you could hand me over to Essex radar after that, that would be much appreciated. Golf Romeo Uniform.
Roger.
There we go, blasting through the ground, about 140 knots, and indicator up here 125. Alright, now the maintenance flight, second flight for the year now. This is to Andrewsfield for a check for Romeo Uniform, which during lockdown is still being used for commercial training. And Romeo Uniform is now equipped with GFC 500 autopilot. Weather looks okay. I'm flying on nav mode and it's intercepting the track towards Norfolk.
When the old one's gone under the knife, and I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow.
Thames Director, good morning. KLM 66 X-ray passing 2,500 for 3,000 on the collector 1 Alpha.
KLM 66 X-ray, Thames, roger, good morning.
And Heathrow radar, Golf Romeo uniform, would we like to request higher when possible? Golf Romeo uniform.
Golf Romeo uniform, re-cleared, not above altitude 2,000 feet.
Not about 2,000 feet, thank you, Golf Romeo uniform. Don't know if you can see to the right, there is a view of London. You can see the shot pretty clearly.
And when I feel the wind on my face,
Golf Romeo uniform, leaving controlled airspace in 2 miles via basic service outside.
Basic service outside, Golf Romeo uniform.
Golf Romeo uniform, retain the squawk, you can free call Essex now, they do have your details, and my service terminates. Have a good day, bye bye.
Going over to Essex, thank you very much, have a good day, bye. Good morning, Essex radar. This is Golf Oscar Alpha Romeo uniform, 1,700 feet on 1023, squawking 7030.
Golf Oscar Alpha Romeo uniform, Essex radar, good morning. Squawk 7402, stands for QNH 1022.
Squawking 7402 and 1022 on the QNH, Golf Romeo uniform.
Golf Romeo uniform, unit identified as a basic service. Your cleared transit stands at control zone on track to Andrewsfield VFR, not above altitude 2,400 feet.
Cleared VFR transit, not above altitude 2,400 feet, direct Andrewsfield. Thank you, Golf Romeo uniform. Andrewsfield traffic, this is Golf Oscar Alpha Romeo uniform, Piper PA28 Aero, inbound with 10 track miles to run. From the standard zone, we'll be joining overhead for right-hand circuit, runway 27 right, Golf Romeo uniform. That's Stansted there to our left. Very quiet. Let's start descending now to 1,100 feet. And Andrewsfield's in sight. Andrewsfield traffic, this is Golf Romeo uniform, 5 miles to run. The airfield is in sight. I'll be joining crosswind for right-hand circuit to land on runway 27 right, Andrewsfield traffic. Essex radar, this is Golf Romeo uniform, Andrewsfield is in sight, request frequency change to 130.555.
Golf Romeo uniform, frequency change approved. Bye bye.
Thanks very much, I'll hold on to my squawk until I'm in the circuit. Speak to you later, bye. Andrewsfield traffic, this is Golf Romeo uniform, coming up to the crosswind now. We'll be joining right-hand circuit to land runway 27 right, Golf Romeo uniform. Gear down, fuel pump on, landing lights on.
this is as good a day as any. The roads that lay open are many. When the old one's gone under the knife, and I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw.
Gosh, it's wet. Andrewsfield traffic, this is Golf Romeo Uniform, final to land 27 right.
Station calling Andrewsfield, repeat call sign and pass your message.
Golf Romeo Uniform is short final for 27 right to land.
Just beware, Mark, that there's quite a bit of standing water on the matting.
Ted, what I'm going to do is a low pass with the runway on my left hand side now. Golf Romeo Uniform, going around.
Roger.
Taking a right hand circuit for 27 right, I've got 1012 on the QFE, Golf Romeo Uniform.
All copied, Mark. Yeah, if you could, when you land, if you could come off on one of the intersections which have got matting. The grass is very, very soft, especially in the area immediately opposite the clubhouse.
Copy that, I'll do my best. I'll concentrate on landing first since there's no traffic. Golf Romeo Uniform.
Good idea.
Reds, blues, greens. Golf Romeo Uniform is now final again to land 27 right. Romeo Uniform is now backtracking runway 27 right for the matting to vacate.
Roger. What I would do, Mark, is to perhaps come up to the hard standing and let them tow you around to the hangar.
Welcome. That was a pretty good attempt, notwithstanding.
No, looked pretty good to me.
Oh, there's no time to borrow today. Well, something's gotta give today. It's a good day today. It's a good day today. It's a good